Most traders feel like they're always in the market at the wrong time. You get in and nothing happens. Or worse, it chops around and stops you out. And then, right after you're out, the market expands exactly the way you expected. So what's going on? It's not bad entries. It's not bad timing. It's location. So what we teach in our room is identifying what we call congestion boxes. These are areas where the markets have already done business. Prices move back and forth. It's built structure and found temporary agreement. That's where most traders are getting involved, and that's the problem because congestion is where the market slows down. But here's the shift. What you want to do is to identify areas outside the boxes, what we call open zones. These are regions where on a structural level, especially using our Smart Super Renko bars, you don't see reversal formations inside that structure, that space. In other words, the market hasn't spent time there. There is no structure and there's no friction. So when price moves out of congestion and into an open zone, it can move fast. Why? Because these areas represent low liquidity. There's nothing there to slow them down. And we combine that with order flow. In our second panel, we're going to use our delta pressure bars, and we look for specific conditions we call a trader trap. It's where the delta pressure is pushing against the direction of price, and we call this a rocket. It tells us that participants are positioned on the wrong side. This is tremendous buying against order flow, and that sets a trap that takes us this way. So think about what we have. You have identified congestion, you've identified a breakout, you see a trap, and directly ahead, it's an open zone. That's where the opportunity is, not just to enter, but to stay in the trade. Because instead of taking profits inside congestion, you're now allowing the market to expand into areas where it's actually easier for it to move. If you feel like you're always trading in chop, you probably are. And it's just you're trading in the wrong location. Shift your focus from entries to where the market can go. This is where the real edge is. Because our goal isn't to predict the move, it's to position yourself where markets move the easiest.